This is Yahtzee being played on an Excel spreadsheet, which you are free to download from armylargo.com. When you open the file, it will open on the Gaming tab. And the first thing you might want to do is just to click the Help button to read some of the instructions and guidance regarding playing the game. And when you've done it, return to the game. It always opens with the first round already done. You can choose to start a new game, or you can choose to use what is already there. In this case, with 4 6s, you might want to hold. And we roll the remaining dice. A 3. And the game indicates here the status of your turns. We have a third go. And that was the third and final round, and we go to the scorecard. There's a guide on the scorecard, which indicates different priorities which you can choose to follow or not. In this particular case, it gives 2 scores for chance. But strategically, we might want to take the 24 points that we can get for 4 6s. So we take 24 points. And we return to the game. And this time we go for a new round, not a new game. And you follow the same sequence as before. Apart from that, you can also check the different ingredients of the spreadsheet here on the tabs. The scorecard. The instructions. A calculated form, which you can use to save your scores if you wish. A printed form that you can print on paper. And finally, a little test page if you want to check whether you have reset the calculations for manual or automatic. Hope you enjoy the game. Have lots of fun.